Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to create an admin panel in Roblox Studio. Now a quick one guys, to do that obviously before you go ahead and do the creation, you'll need to have a script for this admin panel. Now if you click over here, you can see that it will then bring up a few options, but among these options none of them will help us. Now to do that quickly, just come over here and tap on the script icon. Now go ahead and tap on this script, and then over here you'll be opened up to this page for launching a new script. Now my advice is that if you want to create an admin panel, it's better you get the preset Roblox scripts. Now to do that, just come over to this website. It's called the devforum.roblox.com stroke admin.command script. You can see guys that it has plenty of scripts that we can choose from. So we shall go ahead and choose one of the scripts. Now let's select this one over here. Copy it. After copying it, come back to Roblox Studio. Go ahead and paste it. Now once you paste it guys, go ahead and hit on the run and the admin panel will be created. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel.